Hey, what's going on, everybody? Happy New Year to everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Took a few days off to regroup. Now it's time to get back to the money, y'all. So let's go. I've been up all night in the lab, just working on a few things here. We're getting this class together for everybody, finalizing that as we speak. That should be ready real soon. But so I wanted to go over something real important when you're trading, and that is minimizing your losses or keeping your losses real small. Everybody loses trades, nobody wins 100% of their trades. So a key to growing your account, if you just beginning in this, you're starting off, you're learning, you want to start small and try to grow your account. And the way to consistently grow your account is when you have losses to learn how to keep those losses real small. So I'm just show a few charts, a few trades I did last month, and just show you how the losses went compared to the wins. Okay, so let's go. First one I'm going over here is WBD Warner Brothers here. So this stock was in a downtrend, as you see. It's going down right here. It initially right here was going up. Let me change this to arrow. It was initially in an uptrend. So you want to bet on it going up here. Then it switched to this downtrend. So that's when I decided to jump in. It came down and I got in right here where you see this arrow. I got in on this candle, right? So it came down, and this is what happens when you don't follow your rules. So it went through this blue line right here, through this trend line, which I should have got out of the trade right then. But for whatever reason, I just let it ride. Like I said, I'm kind of experimenting with this small account. I just let it ride to see what it's going to do. But I bet on it to go down. It went down. I was initially up. It went back up in the up direction in an uptrend, and I lost money, right? So I got out right here on this arrow, right? So I got out with a small loss, okay? So that was a losing trade, okay? Let's go to the next one. That's gonna be UNG. All right, ticker symbol UNG. Same thing here. This one's in the overall trend is down, as you see from this big blue line here. So I was betting on this one to go down. It was up here, dropping all the way down, went sideways, dropped down some more. So I was anticipating it to go sideways and drop down again. I got in the trade right here on this candle. It dropped down on this candle, but then went sideways the rest of the day. So these are day trades, by the way, too. So these, intention was to get in and get out on the same day. So this went sideways, which is especially with same day option plays, that's bad going sideways with options, okay? You're losing money when you're going sideways. So I got in on this counter. You see here, trade entry, and then trade exit right here. I went ahead and got out because it was just going sideways, and I started losing money. Another loss. So got out of this one with a small loss as well, okay? Remember, you're not going to win everything. The key is just keeping the losses small. Let's go to another one. MSOS. All right. So check this one out. Same thing. It was in this downtrend you see here. Hit this trend line, bounced down, came down here. So I got in right here on this candle, anticipating, let's blow it up a little bit, anticipating that this would continue to go down. But it turned and went up on me, right? The trade went against me. Went up back to the trend line and came back down again, right? And went through the trend line and again, didn't follow my rule, just experimenting, went sideways, dropped down some more. It actually went down toward the end of the day, but I was kind of already down enough to where I couldn't get back in the green on it, right? So I sold right here on this candle, and I took a small loss on that one, right? Went through the trend line. I should have got out right. I should have got out back here, but I got out on this candle, all right? That's another losing trade. Next one, GEO. This is a REIT, real estate stock, right? Let's see, which day did I get in on this one? December 27th. So let's go forward. Okay, here we go. So check this out. This one's an overall, it's really an overall downtrend, but right here, if I click this trend line on, I tried to play this uptrend right here, right? So I got in, if I blow it up a little bit, I got in, it went up, went sideways, went up, sideways, and this big old candle, I bought in right here, right? Went up, I'm in the money right now. I'm in the green. It goes down and goes back up. Now, ideally, I should have sold right here. But for whatever reason, I don't know if I walked away, wasn't paying attention, didn't set an alert, but it turned on and went back down. And when I got back, I saw that and I sold all right here, okay? I exited the trade, as you can see from this line, right? So let me show you guys something. So the importance of this is the point I'm trying to get across, right? So the first one I showed you, WBD. If you look right here, December the 16th, I bought 2 put contracts, right? Put meaning I want to bet on it going down. So I bought 2 contracts for 76 cents a piece for a total of $150.68. And options, 76 cents. You're going to move the decimal twice. They're actually $76 a piece, right? So I bought for $150.68, and then I sold. Oh, I'm sorry, I sold there. I bought for $167.32, right, for 83 cents, and I sold for 76 cents. Okay, sorry about that. Got a call. So for a loss. So, but it's a small loss of $16.64, right, on that first trade. The next one was UNG, right? Which is, where's UNG? Right here. I bought 2 contracts, 2 put contracts again for 82 cents, $165.32. And then I sold them right here for 72 cents. So this is your premium. These numbers right here are what you're buying the contracts for. That's called your premium. So I bought it for 82 cents. The stock went down and my premium decreased by a dime to 72, which means when I sold, I got $142.68 back. So that too was a losing trade. But I lost $22.64 on there, right? After putting up 165. I lost 22 of that. The next one I showed you was MSOS right here. You see right here on the 20th, I bought 5 contracts, 5 put contracts. Again, betting is going to go down for 75 cents a piece. I spent a total of $378.30, right? So when the trade turned against me, when I decided to get out, I sold it, sold those 5, as you see right here, for 75 cents. Again, the premium dropped. So I bought for $378, I sold for $371. That was a loss of $6.62, right? You know, you see the theme. I'm losing trade, but the losses are small compared to what I'm paying, right? Next one was Geo. Right here on the 27th, bought Geo. Three call contracts that you see right here. Call meaning I'm betting it's gonna go up, right? I bought 3 of those for 75 cents a piece, meaning $75 a piece, total $226.98. When the trade turned against me, I saw I was losing. I sold them right here for 75 cents. It's the same amount, but remember, it was going sideways. Even if you sell for the same amount, if it goes sideways, you still lose with options. So I sold for $223. So that was a loss of $3.98. So here's the key. That was 4 losing trades, right? I spent a total of, I put up a total of $937.92 for those 4 trades. But my total losses was $49.88. Okay. So think about that ratio. Over 900 I put up, I lost all the trades, but I still lost less than $50 with that amount put up, right? So that's the key. You know, when you trade, you have to keep your losses to a minimum. That way you live to trade again. And you just go back with minus that small loss and look for another trade. So let me show you one more thing. So now I'm going to go to ticker symbol TAL, TAL Education Group, right? I think this is a Chinese stock. Excuse me. So if you go here, I bought some call contracts. As you see here, this one's trending up. When I saw it, I jumped in it. Let me blow it up a little bit. I jumped in right here. I entered the trade right here because it was going sideways, then went up. went sideways, then went up. Going sideways right here, so I bought in on this candle, anticipating it going up. It did go up. When it got to the top of this pivot, I sold. I exited the trade right here for a win, right? So that one, I had 4 losses and that 1 win. So check this out. TAL, I bought right here. I bought 4 call contracts for 69 cents was the premium. I sold those 4 for 93. So that's a win. So I bought those for $278.64. I sold them for $369.34 for a $90 profit, right? So that is the key, y'all. You have to learn that. I had 4 losses for less than $50, 1 win for almost $100, right? So that's how you grow your account. You can lose, you can lose 9 trades in a row, but you have that 1 trade that's going to be bigger than those losses, then you up. And that's how you keep adding. So think about that. So this is just $90 I won. So as you scale up in your trading and you able to put up more money, you're going to get more profit. That 90, if I'd have bought more contract, that could have been 190, 290, 390, $500 on up to $1,000, whatever, depends on how many you buy. Like I say, I'm just kind of playing around with this small account. I'm not risking too much right now. I'm kind of using this to show you guys and kind of experiment a little bit, testing different strategies. But I just wanted to show you that one of the most important things you have to learn is minimizing your losses. You can put up however much money, but as long as you don't lose that much, you're still in the game and you're gonna keep winning, So these as you trade like that, you just continue to grow your money, and I can show you how to do that. Like I say again, we're putting these classes together. Anybody interested, we're gonna have the sign-up page will be coming up pretty shortly here. I think we're gonna finalize everything probably this weekend. Next week, you'll see the page coming out to sign up, okay? Anybody interested to make some money, sign up, and me and the team, we're going to help y'all out. All right? Just wanted to show you that. For those who are interested, keep this in mind of keeping your losses to a minimum, okay? And you will be able to grow your money, all right? Peace, y'all. Everybody have a good day. Bye-bye.